What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna do my best to show everybody how to do some rust repair. I've never done it personally before, but I'm gonna try it, and if I can do it, you can do it. So stay with me. Watch what we're doing. We'll try to figure this out together. Alright, so here's what I'm trying to fix. It's a pretty good bit of rust. It's not really rotten back here anywhere, but it's right here, it is. And there's a little bit right there under there, but I've taped that off, as you can see, straight lines. And that's the part inside the tape that I'm going to cut out. I'm sure some people will correct me on how to do this, but this is how I'm going to do it. And I have this for scrap metal. Well, and I taped those off. I made cardboard cutouts, which are laying somewhere right here, right there, of the two pieces. This is the lip on the other side of the fender, and this is the upper part. So it goes that way, just like that, inside that, and I cut it all out, and I can trim it as needed with the grinder. But those are the pieces that I need to cut out of this, and I chose this fender because it's a junk fender, obviously, and it already has some curve to it. It's not a flat piece of metal, so hopefully it'll adhere a little better, and I won't have to fill full of Bondo. But I'm doing this so that I don't have to fill it full of Bondo, because I've seen a lot of people do it, and I don't really like doing that. I've done it before, honestly, but I don't want to do it on this car. So there's the rust spot. I'm gonna go. I have a die grinder with cutting blades, and it's an air tool, so I'm gonna probably cut it out with that. I'm gonna try to anyway. So here we go. Rotten in there too. It's rusty up in there. It's nasty. So I'm gonna try and clean all that out as much as possible. Also, what a job. Alright, well, I got that out. I gotta clean all that up before I can do anything with it, but it actually left a solid piece of that pinch weld thing right there. I'm having a brain fart, I can't think of what it's called, but that's what I need to replace. And this is a little rusty, so I might cut that out too. But before I do that, I have to clean that up, And then I have to cut these pieces out of this fender. So, alright, so I got that piece cut out. And it is laying somewhere right there. Right there it is. And it actually fits in the hole I cut out really well. I can't do it with one hand, but I'll try. Right there, just like that. It fits fairly well. So, I'll figure the rest of these pieces out and get back to you. Put it on and it looks like shit, but you just put it on there with a bunch of little tack welds. You don't want to put a solid bead, so it's on there. Let's cut up some more shit. So this is the next new patch panel piece. It goes on the bottom corner. And I'm going to clean this up on the bench grinder and then we'll put this in. So that's pretty much it. It's not pretty, but it will be. That's what Bondo's for. And then that piece under there. That's not right there. I'll get rid of that, but the rest of it's done. So, like I said, if I can do it, you can do it. Spread a little bit of Bondo on there. It's really not that thick either. And once I sand it down and smooth it out, there'll be less Bondo on there. Ignore that glob right there. The Bondo is starting to dry out. But the metal is replaced. I mean, it's probably not going to be it's not professional, but it's my car, so it's better than holes. Yeah. So anyway, that's my video this time. DIY rust replacement quarter panel. They don't make replacement panels for Del Sol, so this was my solution to that. Everybody, thank you for watching. Any questions, let me know in the comments. If you don't like what I'm doing, sorry. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Have a nice day.